This is the first poll released since the two sides took to the air with their television ads.
Asking government employees to chip in isn't asking a lot. Vote yes on issue 2.
The politicians have turned their backs on the middle class. But in Ohio, we don't turn our backs on those who watch ours.
And with 6 weeks to go, the race has tightened. Just since July, the poll shows support for issue 2 has grown from 32 to 38%, while the strength of the opposition has dropped.
As they understand why these reforms are necessary and what issue 2 actually does, we're seeing support overwhelmingly coming our way in favor of voting yes on issue 2.
The poll also reaffirmed earlier results that show a majority of voters do still favor certain parts of issue 2. By a nearly 2-to-1 margin, those polled said they favor public employee raises based on merit rather than seniority. And majorities also support requiring public employees to pay 15% of their health care premium and 10% of their wages toward their pensions. But opponents say, despite the advertising from issue 2 supporters, voters need to know that the pensions, health care costs, and merit raises represent just a fraction of the new law.
They're going to talk about those 3 things because those are the 3 things that are polling well. So they're trying to just catch those and make people think that that's what issue 2 is about. But issue 2 is about taking away collective bargaining rights from public employees.
The poll also found a majority oppose specific provisions of the new law that would forbid public employees from striking and eliminate their ability to collectively bargain for health insurance. The poll also showed issue 2 is still losing in all regions of the state and that independent voters are opposed by 20 points. Ted Hart, NBC4.